Trained, very versatile fighter though, Mihailovic. He's getting chased down. Big hammer fist. This could end.
Ganou's all over him.
Dean right on top. And it's all over. Just like that.
Herb decided enough was enough. Let's see, there's a clean one. There's a clean hammer fist. Now the neck covered up, covered up. I mean, he's doing his best to block these shots, and I kind of see his argument there. There's not much he can do.
His coach Fernand Lopez at the MMA Factory in Paris says they bring in guys.
Oh! Ngannou knocks Arlovsky down. That is it. Getting going.
They're bringing in guys from the Paris national team, wrestling, judo, everywhere to compete with him. He's out wrestling them. He's throwing them to the ground, throwing them around. They're having a hard time just fighting.
The shot because he's tired on the feet, and that's the truth.
And Ngannou with some serious power.
Ngannou knows it.
He's done. That's it. That's it.
It's all over.
Wow.
Knockout. Francis Ngannou.
Wow.
Vicious.
Not a lot of people burning up Mick Maynard's phone to try to get a matchup with Ngannou. Oh, goes the win! Francis Ngannou has odds for you.
Boom! And then boom. With one shot. That's how scary Francis Ngannou is. I mean, that's like a scene in a movie.
Looked like he said, "Where is the belt?" It's in Cleveland, Ohio.